Alright, good morning, afternoon, evening, guys. We're here today at work early because I'm going to get the scan reader. And then we pull all the codes off my car. Alright, so it's telling me to turn the car to on and press read.
Making its case today to the LA City Planning
So now we're
Commission to
reading.
get permission to build digital billboards. The money earned that.
Hush. And we're going to come back when that's done reading, so give us a moment here. Alright, so we're back here, so we're going to hit for codes. So we got the P420, the P1757, oh wow, those are only two codes. So we got the 1757 code. Alright, so there we go. Those are literally the only two codes. So to read the load data. Right, we'll come back again on that one. So there we go. We got the two codes that we need to look up. And we're going to go from there and get this thing back up to running condition. Alright, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch y'all next time when we address these codes.